going to give this hair a bit of plucking to pluck your hair. Just softly carry this one. Some people say they don't know how to pluck hair. See, to pluck your hair, my sister, you they see her. I'll show you my face. First of all, you cut the front, okay? This place where cut her. Then you begin comb the rest, come back because now here now one pluck, okay? Make sure say you get this pin, pluck here. Okay. Yeah. 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 Comb backward again. I'll still go back and pluck a bit. So now I will take this one upward. And you see the plucking. After plucking, check out the hairlines. Bring your hair for maintenance. I can imagine myself carrying hair go your full for front. What do they use and do? Not fitting for that kind of hair. Can you see how the hairlines is looking? How stylish and classic our client is looking. So this end are for clients. So you can see the plucking. Everything they gangalize, and that is on period. Don't go, you understand me? Yeah. Love it. So our client is ready to slay her hair, and that's on period. All your hair products you need to maintain your hair available. Come and get it. The number on the screen, add me on WhatsApp. Come and get your own sharp. Your revamping or bring your hair for maintenance. And our client will know what's up. Now I get this one because she wants slay 2026, no dulling moment, and that is on period. If your hair full for front, make boom boom, bring her come and go pluck her for not bring synthetic for me. Oh, make sure say now human hair because this client's hair now 100% human hair. No bring synthetic come for me. Oh, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.